Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this really cool product right here, and if you guys don't remember, I actually tested a few of the products already, and it's by the brand called Divoom, Divoom, which is right here if you guys can see. Voombox is the product that I have this time, but the brand is right there. So you guys remember I tested their product, which is a clock that acts also as a speaker that has pixel on the clock itself to show you the time and everything, which is really cool. And then they had like an Echo device speaker that is compatible with the Amazon Echo Dot, which is really nice. Audio was amazing, 360 surround sound. But this one is also 360 surround sound, and this one is actually water resistant. So before we talk more about the product, let's actually unbox this and rip this open and show you guys what it looks like first. Both sides are sealed, so we're gonna have to take that part out. And then all around the container is actually taped, so I'm gonna have to remove that tape right now first. Alright, so we just removed the tape. We're gonna open it up now. Alright, so we just opened this up. Let me put this down first. So in the bottom of this container, you guys can actually open it up. And then what comes inside here is some accessories, so like the auxiliary cord and the charging cable, which is micro USB. And then on the bottom, they give you a user guide and instruction guide on how to set up and how to use it. And then here we have the actual product itself. So it comes out as a whole product like that, so be careful. And on the side, it has this accessory here to hold the speaker so it actually won't move when it's actually in the box itself. And here we have the actual product right there. When we flip it on top, you guys can see there's a volume control, so volume up, volume down, pause and play button, on button, off button, and also the Bluetooth setting right here. And if we turn on this side, we have the slots to actually open up to actually charge the product and whatnot. So right there. So right here we have the auxiliary slot, and we also have the micro USB slot to actually charge it. And it has this very nice cover to protect it from water and whatnot. So if you guys want to splash in water or whatever the case may be, you guys can do that as well. But yeah, that is the product itself. Let's actually turn it on right now and power it up and see how it performs. Alright, so the product is connected. Alright, so it's on max volume. So let's give it a try now and see how it performs. Wow, if you guys just heard that, that's pretty damn amazing. Do you guys hear it when I was turning it 360? So you guys can hear the actual music even when I'm turning around because of the fact that this speaker actually has 360 surround sound, which is amazing. So you guys can actually put this in the middle of the room and you can hear it everywhere no matter where you walk. And I'm not sure if you guys can hear it or not, but the audio is really amazing. But you know what's even more amazing? The freaking bass. The fact that you couldn't even hear any cracking in the audio. That was so amazing. I am kind of actually speechless for this product because this product actually costs like half of the price of what I would get for the Anker Soundcore Boost. So if you guys remember, I actually loved Anker Soundcore Boost, but this is pretty amazing. This product actually costs $55 or $54, and that's actually a reasonable price based off what it can do and how it can perform. And the fact that this one is actually water resistant, or it might be waterproof as well, but we'll find out about that in a second. But so pretty much for this speaker, it has 4 drivers and 2 tweeters, and on top of that, this speaker can actually play up to 12 hours, and the charge time for this product actually takes around 3 hours to 4 hours. But before we talk more about the product and whether or not it's actually worth it, let's go do the water test first and come back. Alright, so here we have the Voombox speaker. I'm gonna play a little bit of music so you guys can hear that actually works. Skip a little bit. Alright, so you guys can tell that it actually does work. Now let's do the water resistant or waterproof test to see whether or not it works. Let me turn on max. Impact. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the water test, you guys can see and hear that it actually still works, and it's pretty damn amazing. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see that water splashing out of it, but that was pretty damn amazing. Especially the fact that it can still produce that clear of audio and clear of a bass from the speaker itself in water that is so. So overall, the quality of the product is actually really nice, and the fact that it's water resistant, waterproof is even more amazing. So, but now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it though. So this product goes for around $54 or $55, and I'd say for that price range it is really good because it's cheaper than the Encore Soundcore Boost and probably cheaper than other speakers out there as well. And some of them couldn't even perform as good as this one can because of the fact that the audio is really clear, the bass is even more clear and really powerful to the point where it actually does not crack or break. So pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it, yes, it is worth it, and you guys should definitely go check out this product and any of the products by Divoom as well because they are so amazing. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing of the product and feedback on the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Out Day, we have